is too fast. Too
I need to
fast.
pass you.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Really good. This is cool.
Alright. Good morning guys. Welcome sa aming first vlog. And nandito po kami sa Washington State dito sa US. And ngayong araw na to medyo mainit kaya sasamantalahin natin yung chance para makapag-bike ang ating bunso. Turn left, turn left.
Don't call me that.
Oh, what do we call you then?
Aliyah.
Aliyah. Oh, para makapag-bike si Aliyah cutie. Yan, so medyo mainit ngayon. Ang temperature dito is 11 degrees. Mainit na yan compared sa mga nakalipas na araw. Pero mamaya ina-expect pa namin na iinit pa siya hanggang mga 18 degrees. Kasi pa summer na.
That's just real life.
So yan, ang pangalan ng aming apartment is Trillium Apartments. And kakalipat lang namin dito sa Washington about 2 months ago. Oh no, there's a dog. There's a dog, baby. Don't look at it. Morning. Alright, dito sa apartment complex na to, konti lang yung dumadaan na sasakyan. Yan, papansin nyo. May mga dumadaan ding bus dito pero may oras yung pagdaan ng bus. And itong nilalakad natin ngayon is about 1 mile. Balikan na yun. Punta lang sa maliit na park dito, Discovery Park. Yan, siya nga pala gamit natin ngayon ng Insta360 X3. Kakakuha lang namin na ito kahapon. Sponsored ni Mrs. Yan, so medyo uphill kaya hirap si Aliyah mag-pedal ngayon. Kailangan ng konting tulak. So lahat ng nakikita yung building dito ngayon is part siya ng Trillium. Nasa left and right side. Si Trillium Apartments is maraming apartment complex. Hindi kami sponsored ng apartment Trillium, so backhand man. Ayan. Alright, tapos na yung uphill. So ang kagandahan dito sa apartment Trilliums is malapit lang siya sa interstate. So kung kailangan mo pumunta sa downtown, madali lang. And pag nandito ka naman sa kalsada, konti lang nang dumadaan na sasakyan. Hindi siya ganun ka-busy. Tapos kahit yan, kitang-kita nyo naman, maluwag yung kalsada. Come on, you have to pedal faster. Yep, that's the way you do it.
This, that,
Yep. So yan, sa dulo ng pathway na to, nandun yung
behind.
kantuhan kung saan tayo pwedeng lumiko papunta dun sa park. Pero ano lang tayo ngayon, magbabike lang and walk. Hindi na magpa-park si Aliyah kasi may gagawin pa tayo sa bahay. Hmm?
Blocking my eye.
Your eyes? Hmm, fine. Next time we'll buy you sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
Yeah. Go, come on, you have to pedal. Spying on you.
You.
Me?
Yeah.
Why? Why me?
Because. Oh God.
Yan, so tong way na to, papunta siya ng Walmart, papunta rin siya ng mall. Malapit lang yung Walmart and mall dito. Less than 3 miles lang yun. Tapos yung downtown is about 12 to 15 minutes. Yeah.
So we don't get a hit. Kahit na matindi na yung sikat ng araw, malamig pa rin dahil medyo mahangin. Kadalasan dito, pag sinabing 11 degrees, expect mo paglabas niyan minus, babawasan mo ng 3 degrees dahil sa hangin. Unlike sa Tennessee, ngayong ganitong panahon, mainit na. Pero ganitong panahon din, maulan na. Tennessee nga pala yung unang state na napuntahan namin dito sa US. Bali, doon kami unang tumating. Blue flag? Yeah. The tiny one.
Yeah.
You like them. I want them.
So sa Tennessee, ganitong panahon, ulan na.
Wow.
Malakas ang hangin.
Never
Papalapit na
see
rin
it.
tornado season dun. So sa mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Tennessee, ingat
I
kayo
never
lagi.
see them. Never see them. Never see blue flags. Hey, see
Which one?
that one.
This one?
No, so let me see it.
Oh, what do you mean? Oh, the screen is off. Konting kembot na lang, nandito na tayo sa dulo nitong pathway papunta sa park. Para hindi na tayo magpa-park. Are you tired?
No.
I think you're tired. You're no longer pedaling. makikita ninyo mga puno wala pang ganong dahon. Dahil lalo na yung nasa right side wala pang dahon.
I want to go back now.
Kasi nasa umpisa pa lang tayo ng spring. Let's go back now. Yeah, because you have not yet eaten. Yeah, let's make a turn here. Come on, turn here. Make a turn. Then turn this way. Yep, how you turn. Go.
My flag is down
Flag is down.
because of the.
Maybe somebody captured it.
So probably the step on it.
No, it's not. Okay.
Maybe it just fell by the wind.
Maybe the wind is too strong.
Yeah.
Morning. Go, pedal.
Curling.
Dito sa kalsada na to, 35 miles lang yung recommended speed. Kasi bakayan siya. Pero merong mga residential area na nasa 20 to 25 miles per hour lang ang speed. Karaniwang makikita nyo dito mga may mga alagang aso. Yan, lagi sila papasyal ng alaga nila. Saka ba yun, mga nagja-jog. Oh. Ito na pa si ate dun sa gitna. Nahiya yata sa camera. You tired? Huh? You're tired now. Sige, I'm gonna give you a push.
No, just go faster.
Okay, let's go faster. Not too fast. Oh, why there's a cart here?
People left it there.
People. Where did they took it?
Maybe dog poop on it.
Mm-hmm.
Ew, dog poop.
Dog poop.
I saw one. That's
Come on. Stay on this side.
That's weird.
All right, we're almost home. You tired?
I said that 100 times.
Oh, 100 times. Maybe that's the reason why you're tired. Because you said it 100 times.
There we go.
Yeah, we're going.
In the end.
Okay, almost there.
Drop.
Hmm? What do you mean?
That one, there's a drop.
There's a drop?
That one.
It's going downhill. I'm gonna hold you. Okay.
My God. So fast.
Come on.
Just so fast. Let's go fast. Just go fast.
I'm holding you.
Whoa. Why are you going so fast? Still going. That jump scared me. Stay away. I'm going to. Stop. They almost leave me.
No. Let's go to the mailbox first.
Box. Oh, stay. Stay. Yo, stay.
Come on, there's a car. We need to cross fast.
Fast.
Okay. We're in.
Fast. Fast.
Alright.
Can I do it?
Ako na, para mabilis.
Please. Is it that one?
Yeah, the 108. Go. This way, huh? Yeah,
This
that
one?
way. C108.
Here.
Yep, that's the one.
Hey, my glove.
No, you don't have to remove it. Just hold it. Hold it this way. No. This one.
Oh.
Push it. Push. Push. Ay, we're using the wrong key. Should be the gold one. Open it. Pull. There you go. What do we have here? Okay. Did you lock it?
How do you lock it?
Alright. Go ride your bike.
Okay. I can bike again.
Yeah, we're going home.
Go backwards.
I think let's pass this way. I-install sila ng bagong carpet ah. Go. Look where you're going.
so tired. I just want ate.
Ate's at school.
Ate.
Ayun. Pawisan din tayo ngayong araw na to.
Daddy, like my hands are so hot.
Yeah. Because it's already hot. I'm also sweating.
I'm not sweating.
Alright, come on. Let's turn this way. Let's pass this way na.
The numbers.
What do you mean the numbers?
That
Hmm?
one.
Look, 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 look. Come on, hold your...
Oh, oh.
Alright, yan. Dito na tayo sa ating apartment.
Wow. And
And, nako, walang daanan. Okay, you have to go down. Oh, get down.
can get down.
Go, go, go. See. Okay.
And about, oh help. I help you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Now we're back home.
Yep, we're home. It's time to eat. What are you gonna eat?
So now,
Oh no.
like the
Alright,
one
dito na tayo
last-
sa aking apartment. And kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, like and share na lang ang aming video.
Go get out.
Subscribe na rin kayo para
Go get out.
maantabayanan nyo ang susunod na kabanata. Alright, maraming salamat. Peace.